Our Rajah II is the first folding knife in the world to approach the cutting and piercing power of our famous kukris. Designed by Andrew Demko to fit comfortably into your waistband or pocket, it features a broad 6-inch long downturn blade that bites deep with every stroke, and an irresistible point for effortless penetration. Backed by its famous triad lock and the strength and toughness of its steel-lined grivery handle, it shrugs off abuse that would easily break any competitor's knife.
Our Rajah II offers an awful lot of cutting and chopping power. You wouldn't believe this is a folding knife. It's got lots of different ways to grip it. You can choke clear up here for real fine control cutting, and your index finger goes right in there into that little depression, and you get lots of control. You can move back and put your index finger in this indentation and get a really good saber grip. You can come back here to the middle, or you can come all the way here to the end and put your pinky finger in this notch. There's also a depression right here in the handle for your pinky finger to go in there, and when that locks in there, I'm telling you, you got an unbreakable grip just about. Centrifugal force will really struggle to pull this knife out of your hand. You've got leverage in your handle and in your blade to do a lot of chopping power. If you're reasonable in your demands of the Rajah II, it can do some real hard work. But remember, it folds. Look. It folds. If you ask it to do ridiculous things, you can break it, and if the lock should break or the parts break by just enormous stress, you're going to get cut, and maybe cut very badly. So be reasonable in your demands. The Rajah II offers unprecedented cutting and chopping power for a folding knife. If you're ever lost in the woods, or in a survival situation, or fighting for your life, having one of these in your back pocket will be an enormous comfort.
Isn't that amazing? 405 pounds on a knife with grivery and steel liner handles. Perfect.
I want the camera to come in here and see this, how thick this bamboo is that I just cut. This is timber grade bamboo, timber bamboo. I cut this big piece with a folding knife. Whenever you can take something out of your pocket and cut a big piece of bamboo like that, you're a power. When you have a Rajah II, you're a power. There's no denying it. Wow, that was awesome. I really enjoyed watching that, Andrew. Andrew's a really strong, talented guy. He just cut through that 2x4, lickety split with this Rajah II. And I just wanted to come in here and verify for myself, hey, that lockup is absolutely perfect, isn't it? It's as good as the day it left the factory, I swear to God. I am really, really happy. Awesome. Thanks, Andrew.